Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld. Today I have the Aeropress Go Travel Coffee Press. Let's take a look at it. So it is a coffee maker, and the handy thing about it is everything that you need fits into this travel size mug. So I'm going to open it up now and show you what we've got inside here. So here we've got our microwavable mug and lid, the plunger, our stirrer, the coffee scoop, and this is where you can store some of your filters. So you don't have to put all of them, you just pack away how many you think you're going to need for the trip, pop them in there and close it up. Now this is versatile, so it can make different sorts of hot coffees, but it also can do a cold brew as well. So if you're somewhere where you can't have a kettle, you can use cold and room temperature water and make yourself a cold brew, or if you do have access to a kettle, you can use that. All right, so I'm going to step you guys through now how to make a coffee using our Aeropress Go. One of the cool things is, as mentioned, you can make a different variety of coffees from an espresso through to a cold brew, and everything is written down on their manual here. Basically, the differences between the coffees just come down to how much coffee you're scooping in and how much water you're using. So we're going to make what they class as an American coffee. So the first thing you want to do is either, if you've got coffee grinds, make sure you grind your coffee, or we've got pre-grinded coffee here. So that's ready to go, and we've just boiled our kettle as well. The next thing we want to do is our plunger. We just want to make sure we pull it apart like this, get that bit separate. On here, we're going to take this off and put in one of our coffee filters in that cap there. Once the coffee filter is in there, it's going to screw the cap back on, just like that. Grab our mug, and that's going to sit on top of your mug. So as I said, we are making an American coffee, so for that, we're going to do about 3/4 of a scoop of coffee in here. We're going to pour it into here, and then just want to pour our hot water in. So we want to do it, there's some gauge numbers here, 1, 2, and 3. For the American style coffee, we're going to pour the hot water up to number 3. Once you put the water in, there may be some coffee that drips through. That's completely normal, that's part of the process. So once the water's in there, we're going to grab our stirrer, just give it a gentle stir that coffee through. All right, once you finish stirring, you're going to grab the plunger here and put it in about 1 centimeter down, so not all the way. We're going to put it in to about there, and then we're going to go and we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds. Once you've let it sit for about 30 seconds, you can see it starting to drip through. Going to slowly push down on our plunger here. Now there will be some resistance, don't force it, just give it nice steady pressure as it goes down until you get through to the bottom. There we go, we've got the plunger all the way to the bottom, and that's it, your coffee is ready to go. So if you're maybe doing a latte, this is where you add your milk, or if you had a cold brew with cold water, you can add some ice in now, however you're choosing to make your coffee. So once you've got your coffee made, you can sit back and enjoy that. This is super easy to clean. So all you want to do is go to the bin, unscrew this cap, and then to get the leftover coffee grinds out, just pull the plunger out and they'll fall straight into the bin. And then you can wash it, you can just rinse it in some water, and it's all gonna pack in together back into your travel mug. Thanks for watching, guys, and like always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.